Welcome to the new Stella Taleb Home Design Build podcast. This podcast will assist you in designing, building, and renovating your home correctly in Bondi Beach. This episode will tell you more about what to expect from the podcast, why Stella Taleb Home Design Build started, and what it's all about. When it comes to sustaining our physical and emotional well-being, innovative home design isn't usually the first thing that comes to mind. However, the space we make for ourselves can have a significant impact on how we feel. As a result, a creative approach to home design has the potential to significantly improve our quality of life. What to ask your home design agency in Bondi Beach? What are some critical questions to ask a custom house designer on your first meeting? We recommend being as prepared as possible for your initial meeting, including knowing your overall budget and your priorities. Make a wish list of products you could live without, but would like to include if your budget allows. Timelines are key questions to ask your designer and builder. How long will the entire procedure take? Divide that into design phases, time at the council, and finally home construction. What exactly is included in their offering? Does turnkey include landscaping, for example? Most custom builders will include everything, but others will not. In terms of costs, chat to your builder about which aspects of the project they expect to rise in price, such as timber supply, steel supply, bricklayers, and so on. Are the prices you see now going to be the same in 3, 6, or 12 months? Inquire about the designer's capabilities. What types of projects, if any, do they concentrate in? How many employees do they have? And how many homes do they design and construct each year? We are currently in a construction boom, and some builders are spreading themselves too thin, so clients must be satisfied that their project will be a priority and will not be sidelined at any point along the way. It is also critical to establish who will be your point of contact during the project. Will you be moved from salesperson to designer to supervisor? Or will there be a single customer liaison contact for the duration of the build? A custom home is how customizable. At Stella Taleb Home Design Build, we start with a blank sheet since we are focused on delivering what the customers desire in their ideal home while staying within their budget. This implies that our custom homes are entirely customizable, and this includes not just the design and layout, but also the styles and building processes. Following the design phase and Waverley Council approval, some builders may lock you in and build only what is on the blueprints, ensuring an efficient procedure, but potentially missing design chances. Our designers will always offer tiny modifications and improvements if they spot an opportunity along the road, and West Style's flexibility and personalization run throughout the process. How do we calculate the price of a custom-built design home? For nearly 20 years, Stella Taleb Home Design Build has been designing and building homes in Bondi Beach. We draw on this experience to assess the client's needs and preferences, as well as the level of finishing they desire. Taking into account their overall budget and the size of the home they desire, we will calculate a cost per square meter that will provide an exact estimate for their home. As the design of the home progresses, our in-house estimation team will fine-tune the construction cost. At the concept stage, cost per square meter offers consumers an indication of how much their home would cost to build, but as the design is finished and pricing gets more specific, this square meter rate no longer applies because different spaces have different costs for example, garage versus kitchen. Our company advises potential clients to look at testimonials and samples from previous clients, and we urge them to do so. Testimonials are one of the finest methods to truly learn about the home designer's customer service experience, which is critical. Our clients are gracious enough to allow us to show their homes to the public after they are completed so that we can showcase our work. Finding a home designer and builder in Bondi Beach with whom you connect is some advice for individuals embarking on this new house journey. It is a lengthy procedure, and you must ensure that you are satisfied with the finished product. Ask many questions, check reviews and testimonials, and request to see recent works. Also, if you are considering a large-scale makeover, be open to switching to a new build rather than incurring additional costs and compromising the overall result. Schedule a consultation with Stella Taleb Home Design Build's home design team and build your dream home today.